The city is alive. A squirming, vibrating, exploding jello of souls, walking, running, leaping over itself. A wave of humanity foaming at the mouth. Everyone going somewhere on a mission to complete. Everyone has a destiny, a destination. How to get there. How to scramble and scratch your way to the place you want to be. Oh, that is the great unanswered question. The trick is not to ask it. Straighten your tie, button your blouse. You can't be too safe. It's self-protection. Drink that last cup of coffee. Answer that last email. Unread. So what? Throw that half cup of orange juice back in the bottle. Grab the baby and go. Go where? Hey, George, I'll meet you at lunchtime. Yeah. A real short mac and cheese. I only got 45 minutes. Don't worry, I'll make it. Don't worry, I can do it. Time-wise, even with delays, I'll make it. Don't worry, I can make it. Yeah, don't worry. I'll take the subway.
Wise guy. You need it, wise guy. You need it bad.
And you can fake it. From the Bronx all the way to Brooklyn. You use it.
You abuse it.
But you can't refuse it.
Cause it don't ask for credit checks. Or long-range plans with charts and specs.
You can swipe the turnstile.
Or tap it on your phone. You don't have to pay for parking.
And it's 2 blocks from your home.
2.7.
It's faster than a scooter and it's cheaper than an Uber. So put your bum on a seat if you can get one in the crash. On the rush hour crush. On the E, on the B, on the D, on the C, on the N, on the R, on the N, or the G. Hey, they call it shuttle diploma suite. And while you're sweating it out, stuck to your neighbor like a fly in glue.
Got entertainment for you. Singers and swingers. And rockers and bangers.
In every car, you can feed the homeless with a candy bar. So welcome to the underworld. It ain't great and it ain't pretty. The jelly belly of New York City. Keep your wits about you and pay your fare. Don't look straight, don't glare, don't stare. And as God in His heaven always right with the world, they'll get you there. So run down those steps and don't be slow. We're in this together. Come on, let's go.
Boy, you're cutting it close, Jimmy. You're cutting it real close. Ladies and gentlemen, there will be a slight delay as we change train operators.
Hey, Bessie! Sorry I'm late. There was a delay on the 6 train.
That's okay, Jimmy. It just pulled in.
Hey, Jimmy.
Hey,
Hey, Jimmy, I'm going home to wife and bed.
home to wife and bed. How's it going?
Smooth as silk.
Now that's what I want to hear.
Okay, Jimmy, she's all yours.
There are 34 people in this car. It's 2 p.m. Sunday, September 17th. And there are no problems at this time, huh?
Okay, folks, here we go.
This is a Brooklyn-bound D train making all express stops to Coney Island. The next stop is Bedford Park Boulevard, transfer to the B train. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
How do you run a train? How do you make it go steady and straight? Day after day, day after day, from start to finish. With a beer and a cheer and a hip, hip hooray. How do you meet every crisis and smooth out the pain of a working city, sitting pretty on a fiery brain?
During COVID, I had to work. I got COVID twice. Who knew in whom that death would lurk? The meat and potatoes of everyday life became a hot spot of added spice.
But the train was mine. My train was number one in line. We were all one great big family.
The homeless!
Yes, sir, essential workers. And
All during COVID, I had to work. My train went to outer space. Whoa, whoa! Floating and floating in outer space. And I was a real Captain Kirk. How do you run a train? Do you know the rules and regulations? The codes for every situation. 12-9, person under the train.
12-8, an armed passenger.
12-5, water on the tracks.
12-6, smoke in the tunnel. What about the rats? The rats are on the platform, not in the tunnel.
There's rats on the subway.
You eat food, the rats eat food. You bring food, there's gonna be rats.
What about the cops? I don't see no cops here. What about the cops?
The cops are in the break room. You want somebody peering down your throat every second? This is not a police state.
Sometimes it gets scary down here. There's no people in the change booths.
Now, I'm no politician, but if there was more affordable housing, there wouldn't be so many homeless.
Everything is going digital. What about lowering the fare?
Lonely. I'm not a politician.
Brothers and sisters, we are back to our regular ridership. Back with our friends and our neighbors. They won't give us the slip.
They're tough and they're rough, but their hearts are big. We love them even when we hate them.
If you're young, you can't skip down the stairs. But if you need, bring your walker or your cane.
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 Your walker or your cane. Come ride with us. It's your subway train. Woo! See ya.
What about that? It's your subway train. So I said to him, it was
I'm so hot for you, I can't even feel the weather.
And so I say to him, take a cold bath. And he says to me,
That's all right.
because we haven't had hot water for a week.
Oh my gosh, as far as I'm concerned, he's in hot water right now.
They're cutting services to that block. They want to tear the building down. They want to put condos there.
Oh. Yeah, I guess he's a sweetheart. I do feel really, really bad for him.
There. There. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't have any change. I don't have any change, sir. Why? Because I use my card. I don't carry cash. Wait. Let me get this. You asked me for money. I don't have any cash, and now you're mad at me about my money.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Arthur, and today I'm giving away sandwiches and water because today you do not have to be homeless to be hungry. I also accept donations.
I'm a rat.
No kidding! We can see that!
Born in Union Square Station. My favorite food is whatever's on the floor. I'm not homeless. I live in the outdoor dining shed on 10th Street between 1st and 2nd Avenue. Fine dining. Hey, it's not the rats, it's the people. Wherever I go, they scream. It's horrifying.
Get out of here! I just cleaned this place up this morning. I swept it and mopped it, and now I am going to sweep you out of here.
Let's negotiate.
I'll escort you out.
Come visit me at my outdoor dining shed. They have great pizza.
Welcome to the Club D train. Let's start off with a little R&B, shall we? I got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I got the month of May. Come on, sing it with me. I know you know this. Here we go. I guess you'd say, oh, what can make me feel this way? Take it! My girl, my girl. Talking about my girl, my girl. I got so much honey, the bees and the me.
All right, you sing that song.
I got a sweeter song than the birds in the trees. I want to hear this side of the train. Come, let me hear you sing it now. Come on, come on. Oh yeah. Take it! My girl. My girl. Talking about my girl. My girl. How you all doing? Well, there's a real bad storm starting outside. They're predicting a real bad hurricane. So when you get outside, I want you to dance between those raindrops. Gotta get a little compensation for my weather report. I don't need no money, fortune or fame. I got all the riches, baby, any man could claim. But I could use some compensation. Just kidding. I guess. Oh, by the way, I just saw some kid 2 cars back climbing up the service ladder to the top of the train.
What? Get the conductor.
Somebody needs to get him down from up there.
Call the cops! Call the cops!
We are pulling in to the Grand Street Station. Stay doing up there? You know you're an idiot. You're gonna get your head cut off. We're outside a tunnel. Come down. Stay alive. Right inside. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Brooklyn-bound D train. This stop is Grand Street. Transfer to the B. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your seats. Take it easy. We're in the station.
Hey, kid! What do you think you're doing? You're gonna get yourself killed. Come on down.
Man, why you hurt?
Come on.
It's for school project.
We'll talk about it. We will talk about it. Now.
Take it easy. We're okay. Everything's calm. Just stay calm. Stay calm.
Excuse me, can someone help this lady up the stairs? She's a little wobbly.
You should go home, miss.
I'm going home. I just left my daughter at PS 44.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine.
It's real bad out there. It's gonna flood.
I'm fine. I'm going home.
Okay, keep an eye on her. Her stop's only a couple of stops away.
Thank you. Wait a minute. This is a Brooklyn-bound D train making all express stops. The next stop is Atlantic Avenue, Barclays Center, Brooklyn.
Her water broke!
Call the conductor!
Somebody call a conductor!
Signal trouble! They're worried about the flooding!
We stopped.
We stopped!
She's gonna have that baby. Here it comes. I'll call someone.
Call the cops! Call the cops!
Okay, give her some breathing room. I'm a nurse from Brookdale Hospital.
You sure you can handle this?
Yes, why? Because I'm small? It's not what size you are, it's what you know.
No offense! No offense! All right, folks, just stay calm and concentrate.
She lied my raincoat. Do you think I could get it back when she's done?
Sure! Sure!
There's a baby on the way. Give it a lucky streak. Give it the strength to live today. To help the strong, protect the weak.
It's my third! It'll come quick!
Give it a push into this world.
My friend said, why are you bringing another soul to this crazy mixed up house?
Give it a push. Give it a push.
I'm pushing! I'm pushing!
Whether it's black or brown, red, yellow, or white.
Whether it's hair, it's straight or curled.
Give it a push into this world.
Give it a place, a way to live.
Atlantic Avenue, Barclays Center, Brooklyn. Transfers are available to the Q, N, B, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Out of my way! Out of my way! Excuse me! Miss, are you all right? Are you all right? I'll carry you.
I can walk.
That just shot out of you. No, I'll carry you. We have a car waiting for you upstairs.
I want to go home.
Gotcha. It's this way.
There's flooding on the tracks. The water is causing terrible signal problems. They're evacuating the trains. This train is out of service. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are evacuating this train due to flooding on the tracks. You may transfer to the 2 and 3 train. You may also find shelter in the Barclays Center. Atlantic Avenue buses are also available at this time.
Okay, guide them up the stairs. Guide them up and out. Somebody's got to stay here with the train.
I'll stay with you.
No. Somebody has to guide the people out of here. Slow and steady, my dear. Remember, slow and steady.
Gotcha.
Up the stairs and out into the street. It's wild. The rain is coming down in torrents. Which way to go? Run as fast as you can. Against the wind. Forget your umbrella. It's gone.
The wind ain't my umbrella.
Fight it. Fight the wind and the rain and the lightning all around you. The city is going. Going where? Going home. Running home. Slipping, sliding, running, rolling. Going home. But where will the homeless go? And what do we tell the new immigrant? This is a sanctuary city. Who will tell them that they have escaped death in their suffering city to come to a city that is suffering too?
But I will stay with my train until they come for me. I'm needed, and I'm here, and I will stay with my train until the end.
Await rescue, await rescue, await rescue, await rescue, await rescue, await rescue, await rescue.
He's asleep! Wake him! He called us!
I heard him! I heard his call!
Wake him, shake him. Shake him awake.
I heard him. He called us.
It's Hugo! He called us! They heard us!
Earth, wind, and fire.
You see, he's doing it. He's calling us.
Yes, but he's still asleep.
We need his help.
The Wicked Witch of the West gave him a poison apple?
Guys, the climate change monster is after us.
He won't wake up for 100 years!
Well, this cannot be. The earth will disintegrate.
The earth. Your support. Good dirt.
A tree, a nest, a resting place.
A rock! A pebble, making wrigglings in the water.
Wind. The air you breathe.
Fire, warm in the winter.
Sun, the light of day.
Water, the waves of the ocean.
Water, the inlets and streams of the inland waterways. A sea
ready to
grow. The clouds of summer.
I am Cactus. I am a survivor. I have survived the hottest deserts with little water. I am Survivor.
Good earth, good earth, good
A resting place,
good
resting place. A resting place. A resting place. A resting place. A resting place. Repose in the winter. 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 Repose in the
Elon Muskrat here! Twitter, Twitter, don't be bitter. I sought it, bought it. I'm a heavy hitter when climate changes makes this planet smarter. We'll just take off and find another. If you're rich and you've got the itch, you can travel with us of any far. If you're not rich, you're up a tree. When it burns down, don't bother me. If you're cold, sit in a hole. If you're hot, fan it. Oh, we don't need this lousy planet. I come to you from the land of cars. When this planet burns down, we'll go to Mars. It's our intent to now invent a Mars car while you stay home and die alone, munching on a Mars bar. We get Mars. You get a Mars bar. Equal opportunity, wouldn't you say? My master is coming! Climate change itself!
I didn't brush my teeth today. Someone tried to park in my parking space.
On Saturday, and a climate change march today down 5th Avenue. Are you going?
Sure am.
I'll take the subway.
When do we want it? Now! No justice! No peace! No clean air!
The young ones that get to worry about the future.
It's the mothers of the world. It starts small, but we grow. And we'll beat out climate change.
It's just a question of if we can do it quick enough.
We'll do it. We've got to do it.
Of all the seasons, years, we spent it all on fossil fuels. Summer's bank account came to an end, and there was nothing left to spend. We'll spend it on a little war, just one more war, and nothing more. And when nature's bank account was spent, we enter now the winter of our discontent. So march and march, protest, never stop and never rest. The future is always for the young. We stole their laughter, joy and fun. So now we march to make amends and fill their summer bank account again. March and stamp your feet. We're going forward, no retreat. Stamp your feet and march and sing, and we will bring this world into another spring.
We cannot fight with love alone. We need someone to back us. Someone sharp and clear to back us.
We need someone to back us!
I know! Send in the survivor! Send in that old cactus!
I'm ready! I am Cactus. I am a survivor. And I know just what you need. I may be old, but I'm bold. I can pinpoint any problem with alacrity and speed.
Then go to it, sir, with help from the gods below, above. Get him while you can, but do it, please, with love.
The humanity! Oh, no! Oh, my God! No!
I always knew there was something underneath that climate change monster. Something caught, wanting to get out.
It's an American!
Wow! You saved me! I was trapped inside of climate change, but you showed me the way out. You showed me the light. I'm never going back in there again, I'll tell you that. Hey, I'm an activist now. Wow. Hey, I'll tell you about it. Ooh.
I'm on a crew from TWU, working for the MTA. I'm a union man, just a planger. What did I know? But now I know. Well, now I know that we're gonna keep climate change at bay. So I'm with you, TWU, working for the MTA. Yes, I'm with you, TWU, working for the MTA.
I'm with you, TWU, working for the MTA.
Hey!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Kiss, kiss!
Oh,
Hurricane's over.
oh,
It's a pretty bad one, too.
oh, yeah, it was.
We fixed the signal problems.
Ha
Got the third rail up and running.
ha.
There's still a little flooding at the station, but this car is good to go.
Okay, Jimmy, you heard that? They cleared the train. We're good to go.
And now I gotta get the rest of the cars up and running.
You sure are good at keeping it up and running, Mr. Okay, all clear.
Okay!
again.
With you, I'd love to do it every time.
Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Brooklyn-bound D train making all express stops to Stillwell Avenue. We are now outside the tunnel. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a beautiful day. We had a couple of bumps there. Bump. But we got over it. The beaches are partially open. There will be a special performance today of the Mermaid Parade in view of the difficulties we have just encountered.
Ladies and gentlemen, Stillwell Avenue, Coney Island!
Darling, it's such a beautiful day, it's put me in a tailspin.
A tailspin? Woo! Honey, your tail is sure spinning.
Well, don't tell tales about me.
I'm not a tattletale.
But you've got a tale to tell.
I'm not gonna tell any tales about you.
Is this the tail end of our conversation?
Yes, it is. Because we are going to sing.
Okay, let's do it. This world could be from sea to sea, a place you really want to be. All inclusive, not exclusive, one that features creatures not exactly identified, not ever really identified in the dictionary. Creatures whose ethnicity is totally in question, whose religion is in doubt, and whose sex may vary. The proximity of fluidity, it may sometimes seem so scary. The mermaids know this all too well. They've always been bisexual. They know that gentleness and pride make sex always consensual. We all need food and clothing and a place to live. We all need love and friendship. We'll take it and we'll give. So, wrap your arms around us and call us sugar pie. And we'll give and take, and we'll give and take. A love for you that'll never die. We'll give and take, and we'll give and take. What is always new? We'll give and take, and we'll give and take. A mighty love for and love for you, and love for you, and you, and you.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between. Hurry. Step right up, we're opening up a new world. So hurry. Get with the program. Get in the car before the doors close. Change that treble signal to a go. And make your changes quickly. Yes, make your changes quick before that tick-tock clock makes another tick-tock. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before me, a great psychic. She knows, she sees the future. Ladies and gentlemen, the great teller of the future, Madam Know-It-All.
Madam Know-It-All, that's his love name for me. That's not my real name.
Now, no whispering, no secrets.
No, wait, I was just going to tell him my real name.
I don't want you to tell him your real name.
What? I thought you said no secret.
There is one secret.
What is that secret?
Your real name. Now, tell him what you see.
I see a speck in my eye. It's really killing me. It's difficult. Right here.
Hey, you have beautiful eyes, my dear.
Oh, thank you.
Will you marry me?
I think I got a cold.
I think you got something.
I do.
Yeah, all right, well, tell us the future.
You gotta take it. I cannot see the future. I can only see what could be.
All right, then, tell us what could be.
I see a time when governments and corporations work together to do phenomenal energy interest in alternative energy. A time when our tax dollars go for wind and solar and natural minerals local to us, so we don't have to kill and enslave other countries to get their natural resources. A world at peace. I see conservation of energy. I see the use of public transportation. Like subways. I see corporations paying their fair share.
Well, you see all that, huh? Why can't you see the future?
Because my real name is Blank. It's Blank. Madam Blank. They have to write the future. History will be written on the sand of Coney Island, on the number 2 train, on the BMX bus, on the outer bridge at Spuyten Duyvil. It is not I who will write the future or history of this planet. It's the people. It's the people who will say yes to this planet, a planet that contains so many mistakes, missteps, miscalculations, missteps, trips, and falls. A planet that has so much love within it, so much heartbreak and redemption. A planet that, with all its faults, is still unique in the universe. It's one of a kind, a shining star. A shining star. We haven't found another one like it. It's the people who will write the future history of this planet, not the kings or the presidents or the mayor of Tallahassee or the heads of corporations or even the wizards of science. It's the people who will write the history of this planet. What will the people say?
I'll tell you what the people will say.
What do they say?
We say yes to this planet. We'll do what needs to be done. We are the youth. We are the young. Our eyes are sharp. Our mouth speaks with an educated tongue. But we take of this country. It is their future and we can't let them down. Together, together, we are one big family. Together, together, we will solve this mystery. Together, together, we'll take a subway ride into our future history. Together!
Thank you, Dad.